Hello children, let's begin this class with the chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. So let's see the introduction about this chapter, what all the topics you'll study in this chapter. So the first topic is factors and multiples. What are factors and what are multiples? I have taken an example here. So let's see the example. There is a 12, so how 12 is multiplied? 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 into 1 is 12. In this example, we need to know what are factors and what are multiples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12, and 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12 and 12 is a multiple of these factors. Okay. Factors and multiples are not the same. We need to differentiate them like this. So these are the factors and 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so this is about factors and multiples. Let's move to the next topic, that is prime number and composite. Okay, you may be knowing what is prime number and composite number. So let's see more deep into this topic. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which cannot be multiplied by other tables. It can be multiplied only by using its own table. For example, 2. Can you multiply with other 2 with any other numbers? Like if you get any answer as 2, whether 2 will be the answer in any other tables, leaving 2? No. Only 2 ones are 2 will be the multiple of 2. Factors of 2 is only 2 ones are 2. So these are the numbers which you cannot multiply, or which you do not get these answers by multiplying with any other numbers. So example 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. There are many other numbers. So these are few examples. These numbers are multiplied by using only its own number itself. Like 2 ones are 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7, 13 ones are 13, 17 ones are 17, 19 ones are 19 and 23 ones are 23 and so on. You cannot get this answer by multiplying other two numbers like how you did here. See, to get 12 you got so many factors, but these number will not have any factor, only the number itself. Okay. And what are composite numbers? The opposite of prime numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which can be multiplied by using other numbers. For example, 4. 4 can be multiplied by using 2 into 2, 6, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 2 into 3 and 6 into 1. 8, you can multiply 2 into 4 and 4 into 2 and 8 into 1. And 9, 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 ones are 9 and so on. There are many composite number and even prime numbers. So prime number and composite numbers are different. Okay, they both are opposites, because prime number are the numbers which cannot be multiplied by other numbers, only in the number by itself, but composite numbers are the numbers which can be multiplied. These numbers have factors, these numbers do not have factors. Okay, and one more is left is 1. You can say that 1 is a prime number, but 1 is not a prime number and 1 is not even a composite number. It is not prime number and even a composite number. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is test of divisibility. Now, to know the answer whether it is divisible or no, you will do a division method. Example, let's take 8 as an example. Now, it is a small number, you will tell that it can be divisible by 2. Let's see, 2 is there. 2, how much the 8? 8, 2 4s are 8. So, you got the answer as 0. When you get the answer as 0, you can say as 2. Can 8 is divisible by 2? You should get the answer as 0. If you get the answer as 0, then 8 will be divisible by 2. And one more point you need to keep in mind, if they give a big number, like it may be 2, 4, 6, 9, 2. Okay, this is a big number. Now it was 8. You got to know easily that it can be divisible by 2. But it is a huge number. Always the last number, if it is even, you need to keep in mind it will be divisible by 2. Okay, now if it is 2, 4, 5, 6, 0 or 2, 3, 5, 5, when last number is even, it will be divisible by 2. If the last number is 0 and 5, it will be divisible by 5. Okay, the even number, last even number is divisible by 2, and if the last number is 0 and if the last number is 5, it will be divisible by 5. Okay, of divisibility. Say in simple, the number should be exactly divisible by the number. To get the answer as 0, you need to get the answer as 0. If you get the answer as 0, you will get to know the question, that is 8 is correctly divisible by 2, properly divisible by 2. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is common factor. Okay, let's take the example 4 and 18. Now let's see 4 and 18. What are the factors of 4 and 18? 2 is a factor of 4, and always there will be 1. First we need to take the number as 1, because everything, all the numbers are multiplied by 1 or divisible by 1. 1, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Let's see the 18th table now. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. In 4 there is no 18. In 5 it is not there. 6 3s are 18 and it's not there in 8. 9 2s are 18 and last 18. So there are two numbers and we got the factors of these numbers. So let's see what are common factors in these both the numbers. So 1 and 1 is a common factor and 2 and 2 is a common factor. There are no other numbers which are common in both the numbers. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 4 and 18. Okay, so they are called as common factor. Okay, please understand the introduction class, then it will be easy for you all to solve the sums. So please listen properly the introduction classes also.